Okay, so this is the calculation part which you will go through easily. Okay, so I am skipping this. So you can go through the calculation. For equation we have become, so we have what interested with, we are interested with this value of this Cn. So we have got this Cn as Jn of Mf, where Mf is nothing but the modulation index of frequency modulation. So the coefficient, the Bessel coefficient is dependent upon the value of Mf. Whatever the value is the value of Mf, there will be more number of spectral components. So higher is the value of modulation index, higher will be the number of significant component. Okay, so as you can see from the picture that here it is a first order USB, here it is a second order USB. In the same way we have the lower order in the negative side LSB. So based on the value of MF, whatever is the value of MF, we will have number of significant components. Okay, so lastly, we have got the value of the expression for the FM as A Jn of MF cos 2 pi Fc plus N FMT. Okay, so where the MF is greater than 1. Okay, अब ये जो expression आया, based on this expression we will have different observations. So previously this has been asked in university exams also, that after deriving this expression you have to show the spectral components and the transmission bandwidth of wideband FM. Okay, so go through all these things in a elaborative way. Okay, so this is the theoretical part, you will go through this. So all of the things is basically dependent upon the Jn of MF. Okay, so here N and here N. So it is dependent upon the value of Jn of MF and this N. Okay, so go through this theoretical part. The observations which we can get through that above equation which we have obtained. Okay, so next we will have yes, this is a very important portion where numericals are asked through this part, Carson's rule. So go through this. So Carson's rule, based on the value of MF, based on the value of MF, the bandwidth for narrow band FM and wide band FM has been calculated. Yes, this is the important part. The indirect method of generating FM and the direct method of generating FM. Actually, we have gone through these things in elaborative way. So I think all of you will again go through this. Yes, this is the portion and the indirect method where we have seen this, that firstly from the phase modulator the narrow band FM is generated and it is passed through a group of multipliers and mixers. Lastly, it is also passed through a band pass filter also. So here it should be a band pass filter also, a class C band pass filter, so that a good type, better type of filtering can be obtained. So this is the explanation how the phase modulation has been done. This is the phasor system, which which the phase modulation is shown here. Okay, so based on the value of modulation index, this phi is changing. Okay, so for lower value of modulation index, phi is less, and for higher value of modulation index, phi is large. So if this phi is large, phi large हो रहा है, ऐसा कहने का मतलब है ये जो एक्चुअली ये और ये जो यहाँ आप देख रहे हो, these are the side bands. Okay, these are the side bands. और यहाँ पर ये जो मिला है, this is the resultant of both the side bands. Okay, so ये रिजल्टेंट जितना ही ज्यादा बढ़ेगा, ये एंगल जो है वो उतना ही ज्यादा बढ़ेगा, है ना। यानी कि फेज, तो यहाँ एंगल बढ़ रहा है, इसका मतलब क्या है, देयर इज अ फेज मॉड्यूलेशन। अब ये जो रिजल्टेंट है, ये रिजल्टेंट किसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है, ये रिजल्टेंट डिपेंडेंट है किसके ऊपर, साइड बैंड्स के ऊपर। और ये साइड बैंड्स जो है, ये मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ साइड बैंड्स किसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है, मॉड्यूलेशन इंडेक्स के ऊपर। सो जितना ही ज्यादा मॉड्यूलेशन इंडेक्स होगा, साइड बैंड्स का जो स्ट्रेंथ होगा, साइड बैंड्स का जो मैग्नीट्यूड होगा, उतना ही ज्यादा होगा। बेस्ड ऑन दैट दिस रिजल्टेंट विल बी हाई। एंड सो इस तरह से हम क्या देख रहे हैं, बेस्ड ऑन द वैल्यू ऑफ मॉड्यूलेशन इंडेक्स, यानी कि मॉड्यूलेशन इंडेक्स को अगर हम घटाते या बढ़ाते हैं, तो ये रिजल्टेंट घटता या बढ़ता है। और इस रिजल्टेंट के बढ़ने और घटने के कारण this phase is changing, so there is a phase modulation. So इस phase modulation को gain करने के बाद we will have an integrator. It is passed through an integrator, as then we will have a frequency modulator, frequency modulation, and now it is passed through multipliers and mixers, and we have got the frequency modulation, wideband frequency modulation. So here you can see the use of effect of mixing and effect of the multiplication. तो जब हम mixing करते हैं, then there will be spectral component जो कि mixing करने के बाद बढ़ भी सकता है, that is FC plus F0 भी हो सकता है, और FC minus F0 भी हो सकता है. Okay, so ये mixing का resultant है, that it may increase or used to increase or decrease the central frequency FC, keeping the deviation constant. Okay, and the effect of multiplication is what, जब हम multiplier इस्तेमाल करते हैं, अगर n times multiply कर रहे हैं, in that case we will have frequencies, जो central frequency है वो n times increase कर जाएगा, और deviation भी n times increase कर जाएगा. Deviation is equal to n times delta f. अगर deviation n times बढ़ता है, then we will have n times of modulation index also, but there will be no any effect on the modulating signal. Okay, so this is all about the frequency modulation, the angle modulation, what we have seen here. Instead of this, there will be the direct method of FM generation, where the square law device is used, as we have seen in the class also, that in direct method of FM generation, direct method में हमने क्या किया था, डायरेक्ट मेथड में स्क्वायर लॉ डिवाइस का इस्तेमाल किया गया था, एंड आफ्टर दैट स्क्वायर लॉ डिवाइस वी हैव गॉट द एफएम सिग्नल. वी हैव एमटी, we have signal MT or XT. It is passed through a square law device, which can be a diode, and with this square law device there is a carrier also. So with the tuning circuit, that is the tank circuit, with the tank circuit, so this square law device is added with this tank circuit across this tank circuit and FM has been generated. Okay, so this is all about the FM. Okay. इसके अलावा you have to go through all the numericals whatever has been discussed in your class. तो आज के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग नेक्स्ट टॉपिक शुरू करेंगे जो कि एफएम का लास्ट टॉपिक है. क्या आप सभी लोगों ने बॉक्स में अपना अटेंडेंस दे दिया है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for today's session, this is over. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.